Hey guys, welcome to Sam 610. So in this video, I want to share with you guys a big mistake that you can avoid when you make your YouTube video. But before I get into that, if you guys are new to this channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also hitting the notification bell to be updated on any of my new videos. So let's get into it. So as you guys can see, I am inside my YouTube channel dashboard. And I want to share with you guys something very important. And I actually just said it a minute ago in my video. Well, not a minute ago, maybe a couple of seconds ago. But the point is, you want to tell people to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell. And you want to do that in every single video. And I'm going to show you guys why that's very important to do. So, as I mentioned, I am in my channel dashboard. And to show you guys, I want to be honest. I want to treat every single view that comes on my channel as a potential subscriber to my channel. That's how important it is to me. So if you want to check out these numbers on your own, drop me a comment and let me know what your numbers are. But I'm actually going to run these numbers as of 2020. So if you guys go back and run these numbers as of 2020, please let me know what the percentages are. I'm very curious. So we are in the dashboard, as I keep saying. What you want to do is you want to go over to analytics. You want to click on analytics and you want to go over to audience on your dashboard. And then you want to scroll all the way down and you're going to look for not subscribed and subscribed. You want to click on that. And to make it fair, as I said, I'm not going to do 2021 because we're not, fully through 2021, but we are going to go back to 2020. So we're going to go back to 2020. And as you guys can see under subscription status, it's going to give me some really good numbers. Well, I'll let you decide if they're good numbers or not. It could have been a good number if everything fell into place and if I would have delivered my intro, delivered my subscribe and hit the notification bell in every single one of my videos. I really think that these numbers would be reversed. At least I hope so. So let's scroll down. So as you guys can see, in 2020, everybody that was not subscribed to my channel, 25,201 views came from non-subscribers on my channel. And as you guys can see, the other number for subscribed is 1,773, which is very low. So if I would have said, please subscribe and hit the notification bell on every single one of my videos, maybe that 25,000 could have been 15,000 more subscribers. Maybe it could have been 10,000 more subscribers. Who knows? But I wanted to share this with you guys just to show you how important it is to avoid that mistake in your video. And you want to mention to them, to your viewers, to subscribe in your video. And I really think it helps. So hopefully you guys found some value to this video. This was short but sweet. If you found some value, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, later.